Want to limit apps, block adult content, or control screen time on your child's iPhone? Try this. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll a little bit. Tap Lock Screen Time Settings. Now, set a screen time passcode and re-enter it again. If it asked for recovery accounts details, enter your Apple ID and password, then click on OK. In same screen time settings, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn the toggle on. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. At the top, click on Installing Apps. Set to Don't Allow. Set in-app purchases to Don't Allow. This prevents accidental or unauthorized purchases. Tap App Store Media, Web, and Games. Here, choose Web Content. Choose one of these. Limit adult websites or only approved websites. This helps block adult or unsafe content. Inside content restrictions, you can set limits for movies, TV shows, books, apps, and app clips. Still under Content and Privacy Restrictions, go to the Privacy section. Change the Location Services to Don't Allow Changes. This prevents location services to new apps. Also tap on Passcode and Face ID option, and set it to Don't Allow. Go back to Screen Time. Click on App and Website Activity. Tap on App Limits option. Then add limit. Select a category like Social, Facebook, WhatsApp, Games. Set a daily limit. Tap Add. From now onwards, after the limit is reached, the apps will lock automatically. And that's it. For more interesting videos, subscribe.